When it comes to workforce management, Workforce Cloud Tech stands out as a powerful solution, but before you make any decisions, there are 7 crucial things you need to know. If you're considering this product, stick around because I'm going to break down exactly what you need to understand before making the purchase. By the end of this, you'll know how it compares to competitors, and more importantly, whether it's the right fit for your business needs. First up, Workforce Cloud Tech offers a highly customizable platform, but its flexibility can be a double-edged sword. While it allows businesses to tailor their workflows and adapt the system to their needs, it can also require a steep learning curve, especially if you're transitioning from a more rigid system. If you're coming from something like Workday or ADP, you'll notice that while the options are powerful, it may take some time to set everything up exactly how you want it. Next thing, Workforce Cloud Tech's real-time data analytics can be a game changer. The ability to pull in data from various touchpoints across your business, whether it's workforce scheduling, time tracking, or even performance metrics, gives you a deeper, more accurate understanding of your operations. When compared to competitors like Bamboo HR or Kronos, Workforce Cloud Tech's real-time analytics are definitely one of its standout features, providing actionable insights that can drive improvements right away. The third thing is scalability. Workforce Cloud Tech is designed for businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises, but it's important to know that the setup and support costs can add up if you have a growing company. Smaller businesses looking at solutions like Deputy or Zoho People may find Workforce Cloud Tech's pricing and complexity a bit overwhelming initially, though the long-term benefits can make it worth it if your company grows quickly. Moving on, the fourth thing you need to know is that integration with existing systems can be hit or miss. Workforce Cloud Tech plays nicely with many popular tools like Salesforce, SAP, and Microsoft 365, but depending on your tech stack, there could be some hiccups. When compared to competitors like UKG or Ceridian, which offer smoother integration, this could be a pain point for some users, especially if your team isn't heavily IT-oriented. Now let's talk about customer support, which is the fifth thing on our list. When you're adopting any complex software like Workforce Cloud Tech, you'll want responsive and reliable support. While the support from Workforce Cloud Tech is generally good, with live chat and dedicated customer service reps, it might not be as accessible or immediate as some competitors, particularly for smaller businesses. Solutions like Zenefits have been praised for their more responsive customer support. The sixth thing to note is its mobile capabilities. With more people working remotely or in flexible environments, having mobile access to your workforce management software is crucial. Workforce Cloud Tech's mobile app is solid, but there's still room for improvement in user experience compared to competitors like Rippling, which boasts a sleeker and more intuitive mobile interface. Lastly, the seventh thing to know is pricing. While Workforce Cloud Tech is feature-packed, it's not exactly the cheapest option on the market. It's typically on the higher end, but when you compare it to competitors like Paycor or JustWorks, you're getting a robust set of tools with far more customization. This is something to consider when making a decision. If you have a larger budget and need the advanced features, it's definitely worth the investment. To sum it up, Workforce Cloud Tech is a powerful and highly customizable solution that offers real-time data analytics, scalability, and strong integrations with other business systems. However, it does come with a learning curve, potential integration challenges, and higher pricing, especially when compared to some of its competitors. If you're looking for a comprehensive workforce management solution, this could be the right choice, but it's important to weigh the pros and cons for your specific business. If you're interested in trying out Workforce Cloud Tech, click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial available and unlock some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on this opportunity to see if Workforce Cloud Tech is the right fit for you.